What's up guys, it's Misako Raps. Today I'm gonna show you a kawaii girl with high big pigtails. Grab your pencil and a paper. Let's start. First, I want you to draw circle shape, looks like an egg. Okay, and cross lines, and this, look at the side lines, a little bit lower than normal because manga is gonna get pretty big. I want you to have a nice space right there. Okay, so let's start. And don't worry if your circle's like triangle or square, it's just a guideline, okay? Alright, so I'm using a brush pen. You don't need to, you can use pencil, or if you have a marker, that's good. But I'm gonna use brush pen for this, okay? So now we are going to start drawing her eyebrow. Well, in the end, her bang's gonna cover the eyebrows. So the shape, it's not that important. But yes, eyebrows, right there. Then underneath, we are going to start drawing her eyelid. For this kind of a character, let's give a nice positive round eyes. So I want to give a really nice shape like this. It looks like a rainbow, right? Then a few eyelashes. If you want to draw older characters like high school, college students, maybe you want to give her more eyelashes to just show she's mature, but this is good. Okay, and we are giving a nice long eye for today. I think it's really positive and energetic. And a bottom eyelid like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. A few eyelashes right there. And I want to draw same thing other side, okay? Right, so I'm gonna start drawing here. Okay, here we go. Sometimes, maybe I bet it's not just me. Like when I draw sketches for Instagram, like when I don't feel like, feel a little bit lazy, I just want to just draw one eye and a wink. Works great and super kawaii. So if you feel that way, do it. I don't mind. Okay, here we go. Now I think both of the sides good sides, right? Yeah, same size, same shape. Now we are going to start drawing inside of eyes. That's going to be important, okay, for manga eyes. I'm going to show you classic style today. Let's give a nice shiny bubble on the top. Okay, go like this. And black bubble in the middle. Black bubble in the middle. Doesn't look like a bubble that much, but yes, black bubbles. And I like adding a few more, right? Because more bubbles means that she's really happy or upset. So when characters' feelings is going up and down, that moment, bubbles show up a lot. So pay attention, okay? When you read especially that kind of page, yes, pay attention to it. All right, and then what though? Oh yeah. Sometimes when I keep talking, I just forget. Okay, so I want to add really, really detailed lines inside of her eye, but not inside of the bubbles, okay? And now let's do the other side. All right. Okay, like this. Then notes, manga notes, so tiny. Like when you want to draw chibi characters, maybe no nose. But manga nose, so cute, tiny. All right, now we're gonna give a nice big smile. So start with a dot and a nice line like that. Then you're gonna give almost like a sliced lemon, don't you think? Right? Let's give a teeth line. I'm using a brush pen, so it's a little rough looking, but you get the idea, okay? Bottom teeth, tongue. Okay, see, so it's a little bit rough, but you get the idea. Now we are going to start drawing her face line. So first, inside of a circle, I'm going to draw 1, 2, like this, okay? So straight lines coming down like that. And her chin, okay, imagine, I think it's gonna be around there. If your character's face is getting a little skinnier and a little longer, she's gonna look mature. A lot manga characters who are teenagers, they tend to have a wide face line and then pretty much, small chin line. Okay, so let's just add some like a dot as a guide right underneath her lips. Then we are going to start connecting. Okay, go like this and a round face line. Okay, go here, other side. Hey, if you like this lesson, why don't you check out my online school, Learn Manga with Misako, where I teach live kawaii manga lessons weekly. You have access to a private online community where you can post your drawing and I give you direct feedback. Also, I share behind the scenes of my bookmaking. All the details in the description below. Check it out. Okay, like this. And let's give her ears. Ear looks like a half side of a heart. Super cute. Then we are going to start drawing her bangs. Let's give a nice kawaii anime, yes, hair today. So let's start with a little bit of short, sharp, sort of looks like a leaf. Okay, sharp line like this, and go a little long in the middle. And let's do the same thing. Looks like a tail almost. Yeah, I like it. And the other side, go like this. Here we go. Okay, and the same thing other side. So 1, 2, 3 sections. Go here, fluffy, fluffy. Kawaii, that's the key. Okay, go like this. And now I feel like my face line got a little, I don't know, it's like too flat. So I want to fix that quick. So I'm just gonna give a in, slightly in. Well, again, I'm using a brush pen, so I can't fix that much. But I want you to be flexible, okay? I want you to be flexible. When you feel like right after you finish everything, you can still go back to your drawing and fix it, okay? So now I think just a little here, right? Cheek sticking up just a tiny bit. That's still important. Then, from the top, let's give a nice round head shape, please. Round head shape. Okay. Oh, don't forget adding side short hair. Side short hair. So now we are going to start drawing her really fluffy kawaii pigtails. But I want to give a little bit of guideline first. So I'm going to use pencil quick. Okay. So let's just give a nice guideline quick. So maybe start from here and outside. Let's start with the outside little. Oh, can you see? Go start like this and maybe whoop, kind of like that. Okay, so that's the sort of shape. Yeah, looks like a kawaii foxtail. And then maybe other side, just in case. Here we go, kind of like this. Okay, all right, now I'm going to start drawing her actual hairlines from here. And then if you can, instead of drawing just a one line, if you can give it a nice short hair, fluffy, just short hair, it looks like just a wave line. Again, that would be great. So try it, okay? Go like this. And other side. Here. Now, inside it's empty, right? So I want to start adding more. Manga hairs, it's about layers. Layers. That's how you can make her hair really dramatic and realistic. And the same thing other side. Okay, let's do this. Go like that. Here we go. And inside, right? If you can, I'm going to give it just a neckline. Today we're not going to draw her shoulder line that much. Let's leave it just like this. Alright? So lastly, what I want to show you, manga hair shading technique. Yes, with just using a pencil today, okay? I'm not going to color. Alright, so I'm going to use pencil. If you notice, manga hair, they tend to have a lot of shiny spots here and there, right? So let's say lightly, I want you to draw, lightly. Maybe top part, shiny spots right there. Looks like a stretched jelly beans, okay? Another one here, maybe on the top. Let's give a lot here and there, all right? Then you are going to start coloring. All right, so I'm going to use this spot. So it's going to be like this. So almost like you're like a press release. I don't want you to just color like this. Not like that, okay? So start coloring from just the bands like this. And when you reached this shiny spots, relax your wrist and you create kind of feathery texture, right? Feathery texture, feathery soft texture. Now from the top, I'm doing exactly the same thing. All right. Ooh, you got the right? You got the idea? Now let me start coloring. Yes, her hair. This big kawaii pigtails. Here we go. Ta-ta! This is it! What you can do in the end, I always recommend. Give a sign. Okay, you drew beautiful kawaii drawing, so don't forget. Add your signature right there. And maybe I'm gonna do Manga Girl. Here we go. So today's point. Get nice round face line, big eyes, big smile, and obviously this beautiful kawaii pigtails, okay? And with a nice shiny spots here and there. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget, okay? Leave your comments right there. And also if you have any requests, yes, leave your comments too. Thank you very much. Arigatou. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe Misako Rocks channel. And don't forget to check out Bounce Back, my latest book. It's available Amazon and any bookstores. Arigato! Bye bye!